Hello everyone and welcome to the Cyber video tutorial on how to use condition groups to make your formats more adaptable. To follow along with this tutorial, you will need our PrintTransformer add-on to use the condition groups feature. So if you do not already have this and you want to try it out, please email help@cyber.com to get a trial license so that you can give it a shot. As you can see, we have a packing slip format open in JMagic at the moment, and there's a return section in the bottom left corner. What we would like to do here is hide this entire section based off of the value passed in another field. For our example, we're going to be testing on the department number. To create your condition group, use the lasso tool on the JMagic canvas to select this entire section. Now right-click on one of the fields and select Define Field Group. A window will pop up and you will see a list of all the fields that will be part of the group. In order to use this group in your condition, you need to use the drop-down to change the group type to condition. You'll also need to provide a description for the group. Once you're satisfied that all the fields you want to include are in the list, press Save. If you need to edit your field group at a later time, you can use the Format menu at the top of the screen and select Field Groups. Now you can click on the PrintTransformer menu at the top of the screen and select Conditions. Click on the Add button here and name your condition. Next, you need to define your test. This is what will trigger the action of your condition. For our example, we want to test and see if the department number is 500. Once this is set, you can press OK to close this window. Next, you have to define the action that takes place when the test condition is true. Press the Add Action button and select your field group from the list. Use the Toggle Status button so that the group grays out and shows the word Off beside it in red. Press OK and close out the windows and return to the JMagic canvas, then save your format. That's all the setup that you need to do. Now when you print and the test condition that you defined is met, the field group will not appear on the format, as you can see in the printed PDF using our test format. That concludes this video tutorial. Thank you for using MarkMagic.